Yo guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out the video. If you watched my last video, I'm picking up from right there, where I just finished up doing the longest ever wheelie on an electric upgraded Razor. So it was like, I think 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Beat Brad, aka that Razor Kid's record. So, feeling pretty good about that, but just figured I'd get the rest of the ride here in another video. Woo! Luckily, my little wrist cramping is gone now. I still think it's gonna be sore tomorrow though. Alright, let's get a good brake one-hander here. Take that. Hope I've still got pads left. Man, I wonder if I should have tried the longest wheelie on this little path. Definitely would have been less sketchy with cars in that slanted little bike lane there. Oh well. Let's get some swerves in. Let's go to the left side. Let's go to the right side. Back to the left side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Back to the right side. Oh. Yeah, I guess this will just be a quick little trail mob video. No footer. As if that's impressive. Excuse me. On your left. How polite of me. Come on, bro. You gotta respect it. You gotta respect the man on a child's bike doing wheelies. It's time for circles. It's time for circles. I've always wanted to be able to do circle wheelies. And now that I can do them, my life is complete. Ah, fuck. I gotta do my daily donut. Gotta hold myself accountable for these, you know. Huzzah! Daily donut complete. I think I'm due for a throttle one-hander, at least an attempt. Ooh. Sounds like my pads are wanting to die. Perfect time to try a throttle one-hander. Oh, that was a better one. Future Connor's gonna hate himself for all these clips he recorded in this stupid parking lot of these mid one-hand attempts, but oh well. Okay. Okay. Oh, that was my best one yet. Yeah, I just gotta, it's like playing piano when you gotta like play two different rhythms at once, or like playing the drums. I don't know. I don't even play the piano with the drums, but you know what I mean. You gotta just use your left hand and right hand separately, like probably a normal human being. But going crazy in this parking lot, doing the same thing over and over and over again. Oh. Longest one, let's go. Sorry, not sorry, future Connor. We're getting practice in and we need it, so enjoy editing all these clips.
Yo, this is future Connor and past Connor. Fuck you. Your wheelies fucking suck. You can do a one hand for like a half second.
Alright, I guess we should just move on to double hand drag now, since we got that, right? They love that. It's such a good feeling when you finally start to get something, when before you didn't get it at all. I think we're due for a quick pad check. Can't even really see him. Another throttle one-hander, let's go. Let's go! Let's fucking go, guys. You don't realize how hype I am on that, because these are like so hard. They're like scary weirdly. Like they're more challenging and scary than doing a break one-hander like with your left hand, even though that's way more sketchy. I think the key is you want to be going a decent speed so you can coast and hold it for longer. Let's go. Hand drags coming. I don't know about soon, but they are coming. Supermoto! Wait, these just make wheelies so much more fun too. Yeah, he said peace. Woo. Dude, there ain't no way people are swimming in that, right? All right, another throttle one-hander, let's go. Maybe I don't want to weld the freewheel. After all the progress on this, maybe I like it how it is. I don't know. All right, off-road time. Oh my goodness, that was a big bump. Whew. See, this thing takes all these bumps a lot better than I really expected to. I'm just scarred from the stock suspension getting destroyed. Bow! Excuse me, pardon me. You know what, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna go down here and then go down to Kelly Drive and ride back to the art museum, because I never do that. Ready? This is a cool road to wheelie down. Essentially could just coast down it till a car's behind you. Didn't think about that. Now let's see if I can cross this friggin' road. Oh, I'm gonna be here forever. All right, gotta make some moves. Haha, we did it, finally. An eternity later. And we're on Kelly Drive. Oh my, beautiful. It's always sunny in Philly, baby. Always sunny. All right, let's go throttle one-hander here. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch, Connor. Haha. Huh. Little skate sesh up there. I'm surprised they haven't gotten kicked out yet. It's like security does not like skaters here. Although look at me on doing what I'm doing right now. Allegedly, of course. Tourists are always amazed. All right, circle time to end it for you guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We got so much more content coming. Get one more throttle one-hander for you. Not my best, but we're getting better at these. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time, though. Peace.